आपको पता है एक इंसान का दिल कैसे जीता जाता है?
हाँ।
2 तरीके खाने से। तुम्हें नहीं बोला हाँ, तुम्हें नहीं बोला प्लीज। Welcome to the Flop Show, Rocky.
Thank you.
It's lovely to have you, the OG food blogger. तो खाने से ही शुरुआत करते हैं. आपने अभी लेटेस्ट क्या खाया है?
So what did I eat last?
Yeah.
Like today?
Yeah, today.
You'll be very disappointed.
It's okay. We really want to know.
I had 2 pork chops with a little bit of potato with lots of butter in it.
That sounds delicious.
That sounds good,
yeah,
na? But
yeah.
listen, nobody said anything about my weight, yeah?
That's okay. Comfort
I-
food.
I was 137 kilos, and now in the last 3.5 months, I've come down to 115. So I'm 22 kilos down.
But then honestly, you're in that food business and you're lean, then definitely people won't trust your judgment.
137 is like 300 pounds. You know, my son called me. He said, "Dad, आपको पता है sumo wrestler का weight क्या होता है?" He said, 300 pounds तो sumo wrestler होते हैं. I was like, good point, yeah. So of course I picked him up and threw him down. It was like a sumo thing, but so yeah, so lots of exciting food. So I just called my guy and we've got tandoori chicken for dinner.
Oh wow,
So-
that sounds
Which
like.
places do you like here in South Delhi, like for butter chicken or for
Oh,
tandoori?
the best butter chicken तो दिल्ली में मिलता है.
Gulati, please say gulati.
सारी दुनिया में बेस्ट बटर चिकन आपको पता है ना कि दिल्ली में इन्वेंट हुआ था. So it was invented in Daryaganj
Daryaganj.
at Moti Mahal by Kundan Lal Jaggi, Kundan Lal Gujral and their financier who's खाने में नहीं है तो मेरे को ज़्यादा उसका नाम नहीं याद रहता है. But these 2 guys, one was in front, one was in the kitchen. They sort of started butter chicken. कहानियाँ अब 2-3 हमेशा हो जाती हैं. कहानियाँ क्या क्या है? तो एक कहानी है कि वो कई लोग आए, उनको खाना चाहिए था पर सिर्फ एक तंदूरी चिकन था. तो उसके पास टमाटर पड़े थे, उसने एक ग्रेवी बनाई और किसने बनाई वो भी अभी डाउटफुल है. केसेस इन कोर्ट. तो उसने बटर ग्रेवी बनाई, उसमें तंदूरी चिकन डाला और रोटी के साथ सर्व किया. They were like, came back the next day saying वही खिलाओ. उसका नाम क्या था? And since he had some butter and he put butter in, he said butter chicken. So that's one story. The other story is कि वो तंदूरी चिकन सूख जाता था तो उसको moist रखने के लिए एक butter gravy बना के उसमें टमाटर के साथ he put the tandoori chicken in that and that's how butter chicken happened. So the story can be whatever. That's not very important. ये सब खाने वालों के लिए important है, बाकी किसी के लिए नहीं है. The main thing is that butter chicken दिल्ली में invent हुआ और फिर मोती महल में तो चल ही रहा था और अब मोती महल डिलक्स, दरियागंज, ये सब कुंदन लाल जग्गी, कुंदन लाल गुजराल की एसोसिएशन के रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं. लेकिन उसके बाद आजकल की डेट में बटर चिकन हैज बीन केप्ट अलाइव इन पंडारा रोड आल्सो.
Yeah.
तो अगर आप बेस्ट बटर चिकन खाओगे,
Gulati, please.
हैव मोर.
I was hoping for gulati personally, but yeah.
सी पंडारा रोड में तो आइदर योर गुलाटी और हैव मोर.
Yeah.
बाकी 1-2 और हैं बट दोस आर स्मॉल. बट या गुलाटी इज ब्रिलियंट, नो डाउट. लेकिन
My personal favorite.
हैव मोर होता है.
I think it depends on the gravy also. Like कुछ लोगों को ऐसे वो थोड़ी सब्जियों वाली इसमें खड़े मसाले होते हैं वैसी पसंद है, कुछ लोगों को एकदम थोड़ा स्वीटर साइड पे पसंद है.
हाँ, तो ओरिजिनल बटर चिकन मैंने खाया था. ओरिजिनल बटर चिकन इज जस्ट टोमेटोज, सॉल्ट, रेड चिली और तंदूरी चिकन एंड बटर ऑफ कोर्स.
I think दरियागंज पे वैसा मिलता है.
आई एम नॉट गेटिंग इनटू किस में कहाँ मिलता है. दिस इज टू कॉम्प्लिकेटेड अ सब्जेक्ट. मेरे को लोग पकड़ के मारते हैं, आप लोगों को कुछ नहीं बोलता. सो या दैट इज देयर. पर बटर चिकन आई थिंक द सिंपलर इट इज उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है क्योंकि ओरिजिनल रेसिपी जो थी काफ़ी सिंपल थी. वो जो टोमेटोज की स्वीटनेस एक आती है, एक तंदूरी चिकन का जो एक्साइटमेंट है उसके अंदर. पर एक बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है कि जब भी बटर चिकन खाएं कलौंजी नान के साथ खाएं.
Yum.
You know, onion seeds. So you put kalonji on the naan and cook that till it's nicely done. Then you eat butter chicken. The taste is incredible. That's the secret. सबको बता रहा हूँ, याद रखना है.
I'm going to try that tonight only.
Without kalonji, it's no good. Yeah, the taste is so different. I mean, it's very good. पर कलौंजी के साथ टेस्ट बदल जाता है. But why are we talking about butter chicken and naan? यार मैंने ब्रेड नहीं खाई.
This is what you have been
105 दिनों से ब्रेड नहीं खाई मैंने.
But this is what you have done for like now 17 years. I remember at home I used to like watch NDD Highway on my plate and I would be mouth watering. I want to try this. How do you make people's mouth water with like your commentary and those expressions? What is the secret?
You know, when you see a great romantic scene on TV, when you see Hira Mandi, the romance of it, you know, that love, वो अदा, वो खूबसूरती, detailing, slow pace, वो सब मिला के एक you can see कि स्क्रीन पे कुछ किसने बड़े प्यार से बनाया है. So when I see food, so that same love you can see in a different way. You're like, इसको तो पूरा प्यार हो गया खाने से because I'm like, hey, so beautiful. So that romance between food and the eater, that is very important. Yeah. तो वो बस people see it and they're like, what a great love story. And you know, it's like one of those, मुझ में समा जा बटर चिकन, दाल मखनी, आज से मेरी जिंदगी का हिस्सा है तू. You know, you and I will never be parted again.
That is so true. We can see that on screen. मतलब
My mouth is watering, so you know
Yeah,
exactly.
I
I'm
know.
gonna have some water. Sorry यार, ये खाने के बारे में ज़्यादा बातें करेंगे. I'm on a diet.
नहीं, now that we have talked about Highway on My Plate, तो उस पे आते हैं. तो आपने जो जब Highway on My Plate स्टार्ट किया था, उस टाइम जो आपने फैन बेस क्रिएट करी थी, वो अब भी लाइक पीपल आर क्रेजी अबाउट यू. तो ऐसा आपने क्या क्रैक किया था उस टाइम पे जो मतलब अभी भी लोग आपको Highway on My Plate के नाम से जानते हैं? हाँ, रॉकी, Highway on My Plate.
I think luck भी बहुत एक फैक्टर होता है. But I think genuinely, you know, पहले तो एक तो टीवी पे जो जितने भी लोग आते थे पहले, वो बड़े साफ सुथरे, क्लीन, ऑर्गेनाइज, पोलाइट, बात करने में तो आइए आज हम ये ट्राई करते हैं, तो खाने में आपको ये देंगे, इसका स्वाद ऐसा होगा. So when Mayur and I started Highway on My Plate, we had a brilliant director, Abhinandan Sekhri, Niku. He now runs News Laundry. You heard of News Laundry? The news portal. So he's a Krantikari, more power. Hashtag power. So he started it with the two of us. तो हम तीनों मिलके ना, we were about 80% जंगली. अब तो मैं बहुत काम हो गया हूँ, लेकिन पहले we were really wild men. तो वो wildness में ही सारा शो शूट हुआ कि जो करना है करो, जो कहना है कहो, जो खाना है खाओ. नो सेंसरशिप, नो लिमिटेशन, कोई लगाम नहीं. टीवी कैमरा यहाँ से चल रहा है, हम वहाँ बात कर रहे हैं, वहाँ बोल रहे हैं कुछ. खाना यहाँ पड़ा है, कोई खा रहा है, कोई गिरा रहा है. It was just a lot of fun. So I think when you're having so much fun shooting, तो वो translate होके it comes out onto the screen. And I think that's why people liked it, because लोगों की relationship खाने के साथ एक बहुत personal relationship होती है. Food is never there are very few people who are indifferent to food. कि ठीक है, जो भी खा लिया. आपकी जिंदगी में खाना देखो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. दोनों लड़कियां मेहनती लड़कियां, काम करती हैं रोज. कितनी बारी प्लान होता है, अच्छा शाम को बाहर जाएंगे, ये खाएंगे, वो पिएंगे, होता है ना.
बहुत ज्यादा.
बहुत ज्यादा.
हमारे आधे डिस्कशंस यही होती है कि कल टिफिन में क्या आ रहा है.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वही है, टिफिन में क्या है, चाय ब्रेक कब है, और
आज शाम को क्या खाना है, रात को बाहर चले खाने.
See? So that's exactly, इतना इम्पोर्टेंस है खाने का लोगों की जिंदगी, इतना महत्व है. And I think when somebody does it sincerely, बड़े प्यार से, बड़ी frankly, बड़े openly कि भाई हमको है प्यार खाने से, हम खाते हैं ज़्यादा. I mean, I think I was 81 kilos when I started. Last 17 years, I think I put on over 120 kilos and lost accordingly. पर 120 किलो वेट पुट ऑन करने के लिए आपको कितना खाना पड़ता है, सोचो जरा उसके बारे में.
एग्जैक्टली माई क्वेश्चन. सो व्हेनेवर, जैसे जहाँ पे भी आप जाते हो, देयर इज लाइक ढेर सारी चीज़ें यार देयर, है ना, क्योंकि टेस्ट सब करना है. सो हाउ डू यू डिसाइड कि बस अब हो गया?
When you can't breathe, सांस बंद हो जाता है तो अपने आप पता चल जाता है कि बस करो. No, but a lot of people ask me कि आप सारा खाना खाते हो. तो देखो अभी now in road tripping for example, see पहले हम लोग सारा खाना खाते थे.
सही में.
Because we had a 10-man crew. There was Mayur, me and Niku तो खैर कुछ भी नहीं खाता, वो कभी भी नहीं खाता. But the two of us could really eat. कोई भी आप स्टैंडर्ड ले लीजिए, we were big eaters. मतलब typically breakfast में there would be 6 eggs, 3 glasses of cold coffee, 8-10 pieces of toast. For me 6-8 sausages, 2-3 टमाटर. This is a typical early morning easy breakfast, fry and a tomato sausage. So it was a lot of food, and then you'd have lunch and then dinner same size. So it was like half a butter chicken, 1 dal makhani, आधा तंदूरी चिकन, 1 मटन बर्रा. It's all your fault. शुरू कर दिया मेरे को.
आज तो चीट डे है, आज डेफिनेटली चीट.
नहीं, नो चीट डेज. तो वो 4 चीजें ऑर्डर करके 6 नान, 4 नान, 2 रुमाली रोटी, it would be all finished. So इतना खाना खाने के बाद, now when I shoot road tripping, तो road tripping में I'm shooting 4, 5, 6, 7 videos a day. And the idea of my show is कि इंडिया को इंडिया के खाने से introduce them to other parts. Everybody loves their own food, लेकिन इंडिया के और पार्ट्स में लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता क्या है. Like पहले लोग सोचते थे, अच्छा नॉर्थ इंडिया से तो परांठे खाता है और दाल मखनी और बटर चिकन. साउथ इंडिया से तो डोसा और इडली और सांभर. एंड ईस्ट इंडिया से तो नूडल्स खाता होगा. वेस्ट इंडिया से तो गट्टे की सब्जी एंड दाल वगैरह. बट दैट्स नॉट द ट्रूथ. द ट्रूथ इज कि हमारे हर स्टेट में इतना सारा खाना है, बट पीपल weren't familiar with other foods. और 2005, 6, 7 में उन दिनों में बर्गर्स, पिज्जाज, these things were becoming very famous. Italian food had come in. Chinese food तो खैर था ही बहुत पॉपुलर ऑलवेज. पर लोगों को इंडियन रीजनल फूड से कुछ थोड़ा सा, they were like, this is not cool. दिस इज खाना तो अच्छा है लेकिन इट्स नॉट कूल है, वी नॉट गोना ट्राई दैट, लेट्स गो आउट फॉर अ पिज्जा और सम चाइनीज और यू नो वेस्टर्न फूड. दैट हैड बिकम वेरी पॉपुलर. तो शुरू में भी आइडिया यही था कि इंडियन फूड को प्रमोट कीजिए, रीजनल इंडियन फूड को. जो खाना हिंदुस्तान के लोग डेली बेसिस पे अपने टेरिटरीज, अपने रीजन्स में खाते हैं, उसको दूसरे लोगों को इंट्रोड्यूस कीजिए. तो टेबल पे यू नो इट्स ऑब्वियस यू गोना हैव मोर देन वन थिंग. यू कांट जस्ट टेक वन थिंग एंड से ये दाल मखनी है और हम यू नो दिल्ली में दाल मखनी खाते हैं सब, और भी कुछ खाते हैं, यू नो, सो यू कवर द टेबल. तो हाईवे ऑन माई प्लेट का वो एसेंस था कि खूब सारा खाना हो ताकि आपको इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाए कि अगर आप तमिलनाडु आएंगे या अगर आप महाराष्ट्र जाएंगे या अगर आप मणिपुर जाएंगे या अगर आप गुजरात जाएंगे या कश्मीर जाएंगे तो आपको ऐसा खाना मिलेगा. तो वो सब काफ़ी टेबल भर जाता है. तो अभी भी व्हेन आई डू रोड ट्रिपिंग में है कि एवरी डे अ न्यू सिटी. तो आज मैं जैसे अभी मैंने यूपी का हम लोग यू नो यूपी का सीज़न था मेरा लास्ट सीज़न 12 दिन. तो आई स्टार्टेड इन सहारनपुर ऑन डे 1. तो सहारनपुर में क्या खाना मिलता है, उसके बाद सहारनपुर से मेरठ से दिल्ली से आगरा से इटावा से रायबरेली, सो ऑन सो फोर्थ एंड केप्ट गोइंग. तो अब वो 5 या 6 वीडियोस मैं बनाता हूँ दिन के एवरेज. उतने में एक पूरी सिटी का खाना जस्टिफाई करना एंड हाईवे बिटवीन 2 रीजन्स बहुत मुश्किल है. तो वेरेवर आई गो आई पुट आउट द मैक्सिमम फूड ताकि लोगों को पता चले. तो अगर मैं 5 भी वीडियो कर रहा हूँ और मैं 10 चीज़ें ऑर्डर कर रहा हूँ तो 50 डिशेज है. तो 50 तो मैं भी नहीं खा सकता. वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड.
एक मसल मेमोरी बन जाती है कि मतलब जहाँ भी खाना खा रहे हैं वहाँ पे रिव्यू कर रहे हैं. तो ऐसा कभी होता है कि जब आप कोई फैमिली पार्टी में जा रहे हो या कोई फैमिली डिनर है तो आप वहाँ भी खाना खा के रिव्यू कर रहे हो?
रॉकी का रिपोर्ट कार्ड.
मरना है क्या?
इज रॉकी सेम एज ही इज ऑन स्क्रीन? मतलब घर पे भी वो सेम है क्या?
नो नॉट एट ऑल यार. क्या बात कर रहे हो आप? यू कांट रिव्यू थिंग्स. एक घर पे तो पहले खाना मैं बनाता हूँ तो बहुत अच्छा होता है. माई वाइफ डजंट कुक. शी इज अ वंडरफुल कुक पर वो शी डजंट कुक, शी वर्क्स. यूजुअली आई कुक. If there's a party or a dinner or something, तो खाना मैं ही बनाता हूँ. My daughter doesn't cook at all. My son is a reasonably good cook. And we have one guy who's been with us for 25 years, so he's fantastic. तो हम मिलके सब कुछ बनाते हैं. पर यार, I think reviewing is an irritating job when you're in someone's house. अभी मेरे घर में खाना खाने आया है कोई, तो खाना आप खा रहे हो तो या तो बोल दो बहुत अच्छा है या मत बोलो कुछ. You know, don't be like, ये जो खाना है ना आपका, इसमें जो आपने लहसुन डाला है वो जल गया है, कुछ मजा नहीं आ रहा है, बैलेंस नहीं हो रही है. मैं बताऊं तेरे को बैलेंस. सो नो वेरी डेंजरस है. आई नेवर रिव्यू और आई हैव ओपन पैलेट. जैसे लोग पूछते हैं आपका फेवरेट खाना क्या है, आई डोंट हैव एन आंसर. अब तो ऐसा हो गया है, द पैलेट इज कम्प्लीटली ओपन. आई मीन आई हैव बीन टू I think 60 odd countries and all over India, to every single state and union territory. मैंने शूटिंग नहीं करी है in अंडमान निकोबार and लक्षद्वीप. बाकी every state I have shot in and been to. तो अब तो see, you can't judge food otherwise because जिस खाने के बारे में आपको पता नहीं है. जैसे अगर आप नागालैंड जाएंगे और बोलेंगे कि what is good food in नागालैंड, तो आप किस बेसिस पे उसको जज करेंगे? उसका पैरामीटर ही कुछ और है. You know, it'll be very difficult for you to eat those things, number one. या अगर आप सिक्किम से हैं और आप आंध्र प्रदेश में आते हैं और इतने स्पाइसेस खाने में आप खाते हैं तो आपके पास कोई रेफरेंस पॉइंट नहीं है. you'll be like, oh my god, ये क्या कर दिया खाने को. You know, और मणिपुर you have nice salads and clean tastes and you know मीट भी है तो बिल्कुल बेसिक स्पाइसेस बना हुआ, तो वो नहीं हो पाता है. तो आई थिंक जजिंग फूड प्रोफेशनली अलग बात है लेकिन प्राइवेटली नेवर. जजिंग इज जजिंग है. यू डोंट जज एनीवन, है ना. अब मैं इतना पतला लग रहा हूँ, आप लोगों ने मुझे जज किया नहीं.
Is there any particular dish that you thought that नहीं ये तो मैं कभी नहीं, जैसे for me it's like परवल, टिंडे, like कोई सामने रख दे, no matter how tasty they are, like I'll be like नहीं ये तो नहीं खा सकती. Is there any particular?
I love tinders by the way.
You love tinders?
I love tinders. Yeah, I think परवल is मुश्किल है. मतलब मैं खा तो लूँगा लेकिन unless it's really good. तो जैसे यूपी में कद्दू बड़ा अच्छा बनाते हैं. Have you ever tried it?
नहीं.
So if you go to UP, all across UP, they make the most brilliant kaddu ki sabzi and it's everywhere. They make pethas with it in Agra and they make a whole bunch of stuff with kaddu. लेकिन जो कद्दू की सब्जी ट्रेडिशनल है, अगर आप हरिद्वार भी जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे एक पुरानी दुकान है. I think it's called I forget, पर डैश वालों की प्राचीन दुकान. आपको याद है तो बताइए कौन सी है वो. I don't know कौन से वालों की प्राचीन दुकान है, but it's maybe it's, and their कद्दू की सब्जी and पूरी is just out of the world. You take a bite and you're like, my God, ये क्या है? And you're like, कद्दू है. Like, really good. बाकी मुश्किल तो हो जाता है खाना कभी-कभी. Nagaland में we had gone and somebody had invited us to their house for dinner before we started shooting the next day. So I was standing and talking on the phone and some guy came and offered me something in a plate. It was a little dark. So I looked at it. It was like corn puffs. So I picked up a bunch. And while talking, I just put one in my mouth and it was nice and crunchy and tasted like corn, like fresh corn. So I was like, it's damn good. I had about 5-6, so I ate them. I went inside. I said, वो जो आपने मेरे को corn puffs दिए थे वो हैं अभी? So I said, corn puffs? There's no corn puffs. So I said, वो अभी plate लेके आया था बाहर. He said, oh, kelu. So I was like, I don't know what that is. Silkworm, fried silkworms. So I was like, are you serious? I looked, they were like full worms there, fried. So I was like, ये तो बड़ा अच्छा है. So that was good, but we had gone somewhere and they had brought these special worms जो पेड़ जब कटता है तो उसकी जड़ में there are these white worms. They're fat. जैसे prawn की tail होती है ना, which you can't chew.
Yeah.
Their skin is like that. All my friends very politely wanted to help me. They were like, khale. And I was like, I can smell it. It smells really pungent. So I took a bite and this, just kind of exploded. I was like,
I have seen this episode, to be honest.
You've seen it?
And I've seen it with my grandmom there. And we
Oh
were
my
having
God.
lunch. And she was like, why do you see this? पहले तो Man vs. Wild में आते थे. अब इसमें भी.
नहीं, this is one off. It is someone's food, तो खाना तो पड़ेगा. Everybody like, oh, सारा custard निकला है. I was like, don't say that. This is making it worse. I think that was the hardest thing that I've ever eaten. It was just really difficult to eat it. With no offense to anyone, some are good. Like grasshoppers are delicious. They're really good. But this worm was spectacularly bad. It was like so hard to eat. They have a cheese which they make in Arunachal Pradesh. इस लेवल पे शुरू होता है किचन और ऐसे स्लोपिंग रूफ होती है टिल अबाउट 10-12 फीट और ऊपर स्लोप के साथ साथ एक लकड़ी का बनाया होता है उन्होंने फ्रेम और फ्रेम के अंदर मीट्स एंड चीजेस एंड सब रखा होता है तो धुआं यहाँ से निकलता है एंड इट कीप्स फ्लोइंग टिल इट गोज आउट ऑफ द चिमनी ऑन दैट साइड सो इट स्मोक्स एवरीथिंग सो ऑल द मीट्स एंड ऑल गेट स्मोक्ड थ्रू द विंटर तो वो इट्स अ चीज एंड इट्स अ प्रिजर्व चीज उसको काफी देर के लिए रखा जाता है साल 2 साल 6 महीने यू कैन कीप इट फॉर एज लॉन्ग एज यू लाइक. So that is a very difficult smell and taste. I mean, at least I found that. A lot of people love it. और उसमें वो खाना बनाते हैं. Instead of oil, they use that cheese. They melt it and they cook their food in it. So you can't get away from it. I don't think it's legal anymore to have frogs' legs. Otherwise, frogs are very popular in Kerala. So yeah, we eat a lot of things all over the country.
So you never say no.
Oh no, to food?
Yeah.
No, as long as someone's eating it, I'll eat it.
एक बहुत सिली सा क्वेश्चन है इतना खाने के बाद और इतना लाइक जो हम चीज़ें पहली बार सुन लाइक फ्रॉग लेग्स एंड दीस थिंग कभी डर नहीं लगता पेट खराब हो जाएगा
और खा लो यार what's the problem? No. I mean, अब तो खैर it's a habit. जितना आप खाने को एक्सप्लोर करेंगे पानी इज वेरी डेंजरस वाटर यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल विद बट फूड आई थिंक बाय एंड लार्ज एनीथिंग दैट्स कुक्ड इज ओके द ह्यूमन सिस्टम कैन डील विद इट.
सो जैसे अभी मैं देख रही थी भाई आप रोड ट्रिपिंग विद रॉकी सो उसमें जैसे आपने बेल का शरबत पिया यू आल्सो हैव ड्रिंक लाइक जग ठंडा ही पिया सो यू मेक श्योर दैट द वाटर इज लाइक
इट्स #roadtrippingwithrocky and history TV 18 नहीं वहाँ पे तो you can't control it. थोड़ा बहुत it's okay but you don't push it. I mean it's not like I have a delicate system yet, touch wood. Put anything you see inside and let it sort itself out. On highway on my plate and road tripping और अभी तक पिछले 17 साल में I think I must have had a bad stomach twice.
Wow.
I'm not going to say where and when because even I was very surprised. I think थोड़ा बहुत वो तो because streets पे जब आप खा रहे हैं तो you can't really be eating hygienic food. A lot of people write to me and say आप ये खाना क्यों दिखाते हैं? Why don't you show hygienic food? तो हम लोग तो बचेगा क्या इंडिया में दिखाने के लिए? Exactly. We are 140 crore people in India. उसमें से 90% से ज़्यादा सेक्टर जो है वो अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर है. अनऑर्गेनाइज का मतलब स्ट्रीट फूड है, खाना जो आपको विदाउट एनी चेक्स एंड बैलेंसेस. जनरल जो हाइजीन लेवल्स हैं स्टेट वाइज अलग अलग हैं बट बाय एंड लार्ज इट इज़ नॉट एज गुड एज इट शुड बी. तो अगर आप उसको टेस्ट करने बैठ जाओगे क्या ठीक है ऐसे गोलगप्पे आप खाते हो इट्स नॉट अ हाइजीनिक फूड है आप कुछ भी कह लो.
और फिर पसंद भी नहीं आते यू गो टू अ नॉर्मल गुड शॉप यू डोंट लाइक इट जो वो ठेले वाले के पसंद
वो तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गेट इनटू दैट बट जब एक पानी की बाल्टी पड़ी है उसमें ट्रैफिक जा रहा है मिट्टी गिर रही है कीड़े घूम रहे हैं वो उठा के फेंक रहा है बाहर हिज हैंड्स हैव बीन गॉड नोज वेयर वो गोलगप्पे तोड़ रहा है आलू डाल रहा है पानी निकाल रहा है हु नोज क्या क्या है उसके अंदर That's a really rich soup. गोलगप्पे का पानी is like a unbelievable broth. उसको India is many Indias. एक है जो आम लोगों का इंडिया होता है. तो खाने में एक्साइटमेंट, फ्लेवर्स, टेस्ट्स, एवरीबडी इज गॉट अ राइट टू दैट. तो अगर आप स्ट्रीट पे खा रहे हो, लाइक आई लव स्ट्रीट फूड, तो मैं जब स्ट्रीट पे खाता हूँ तो आई टर्न ऑफ द स्विच इन माई हेड दैट सेज इट इज हाइजीनिक और नॉट. तो वो ईट एट योर ओन रिस्क. मैं सबको यही बोलता हूँ कि आपको दिख रहा है कितनी हाइजीनिक है या नहीं है. अगर आप किसी 5 स्टार किचन में जाते हैं और वहाँ देखते हैं सब कुछ बहुत साफ है, पोस्टर्स सर्टिफिकेट्स लगे हुए हैं कि ये सफाई लेवल इतना है,
किचन यू नेवर नो.
बट यू कांट रियली से व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. तो वही स्ट्रीट पे तो आपको क्लियरली दिख रहा है कि क्या सिचुएशन है. यू टेक योर कॉल एंड टेक योर चांसेस.
योर रिव्यूज आर वेरी वेरी ऑर्गेनिक. मतलब आप जब खाना खा के जो रिव्यू करते हो एकदम नेचुरली फ्लो होता है. बट लाइक अब आजकल जो रियलिटी शोज आ रहे हैं वो लाइक इमोशनल अपील के लिए स्क्रिप्टेड हो रहे हैं. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं तक हम कह सकते हैं वो स्क्रिप्टेड हो रहे हैं. तो हम जानना चाहते हैं कभी कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हो कब आपको कुछ पसंद ना आया हो बट फिर भी आपको बताना पड़ा कि हाँ अच्छा है. मतलब द नेशन वांट्स टू नो दैट हैज रॉकी एवर फेक्ड इट.
आई हेट दैट फ्रेज. नो, आई एम वेरी ऑनेस्ट. अगर मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता तो मैं बोल देता हूँ मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. तो मैं बहुत मेहनत से ढूंढता हूँ जगहें, और ऐसी जगहें ढूंढता हूँ जहाँ पे हज़ारों लोग जाते हैं खाने के लिए. तो आपका फेवरेट छोला भटूरा स्पॉट क्या है दिल्ली में? डू यू हैव अ फेवरेट छोला भटूरा स्पॉट?
छोला भटूरा, काकी दी हट्टी,
नागपाल.
अब नागपाल के बारे में बुरा रिव्यू देने वाले कितने लोग मिलेंगे आपको? कम ही मिलेंगे. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ लाइन, है ना? तो उस जगह में खाना कितना खराब हो, इट इज ब्रिलियंट बिकॉज थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पीपल हैव सेड इट्स ब्रिलियंट. तो ऐसी जगह में जाओ तो आपको खाना खराब नहीं मिलता. दूसरा, अगर मैं शो कर रहा हूँ, मैं एक शहर में 5 शोज बनाता हूँ 5-6 मिनट के. अभी वहां पे मैं आपको गंदा रिव्यू दूं तो क्या फायदा हुआ आपकी जिंदगी में? यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू बी लाइक यार हम मेरठ में आए हैं और रॉकी ने कहा था ये खाना बहुत गंदा है, वहां चल के इसको गालियां देते हैं. आई लव दिस न्यू ब्रीड ऑफ रिव्यूअर्स एंड ब्लॉगर्स. जितने ज्यादा होते हैं उससे व्हाट हैपेंस इज इतना पाए है. किसी जमाने में वो 50% हमारा होता था और 50% बाकी सबका होता था. अब पाए का मे बी 0.5% इज माइन एंड 99.5% इज अदर पीपल्स. बट द पाए हैज गॉन फ्रॉम दिस साइज टू दिस साइज. We need hundreds of reviewers across the country, dozens in every city, and honest reviews. To go to a place जहाँ खाना अच्छा ना हो. I've been to some places, वहाँ पे मैंने खाना ऑर्डर भी किया, बैठे भी, शूट भी स्टार्ट किया, खाया और फिर शूट बंद करके चले गए वहाँ से.
तो अब जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे कि आई वाज सीइंग जैसे आपने ठंडाई पी बनारस में, टॉडी, फेनी, यू ड्रिंक एवरीथिंग. तो कभी ऐसा हुआ कि बीच शूट में यू आर लाइक अब शूट बंद करते हैं, अभी बस चिल करते हैं अब?
नहीं, शूट गोज ऑन. या
like even if you get like a little bit high, you are like
little bit, oh my god.
it was decently but little bit.
तो अभी टॉडी का गुड न्यूज़ है केरला में, दैट टॉडी शॉप्स जो हैं दे सर्व अ फैंटास्टिक cuisine. You get शापू करी, शापू करी हो जाता है. You get some amazing food and you get touchings which are like उठा के जैसे फ्राइड फिश को आप टच करो in a chutney and put it in your mouth, so you get those. But the toddy they started refrigerating. तो एक उसकी फर्मेंटेशन स्लो हो जाती है थोड़ी सी बिकॉज इट्स ए लाइव फर्मेंटेशन. सुबह बनती है, अगर आप सुबह पिए तो एक अलग सा टेस्ट होता है उसमें, थोड़ा मीठा होता है एंड लेस पोटेंट. थोड़ा दोपहर की तरफ जाएं तो इट बिकम्स मोर पोटेंट एंड स्लाइटली fermented sour. So earlier where I would drink typically about 1 liter of toddy or 1.5 liters, now I can't stop until I've had 3 or 4 liters here. तो 3-4 लीटर टॉडी आप अगर पी लोगे 1 घंटे में तो यू आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू बी हैप्पी. यू हैड इट यार, अब है जो है तो यू लाइक शूट चालू रखो, क्या प्रॉब्लम है. आई हैव ट्राइड मेनी थिंग्स. सो जो भी है अब इट इज व्हाट इट इज. जैसे आई थिंक वी वर शूटिंग इन केरला ओनली वंस. वी वेंट टू अ टॉडी शॉप इन अ वेरी एक्सोटिक प्लेस, बिल्कुल बैक वाटर्स के बीच में. एंड वहाँ पे आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ टॉडी. आई मीन मेरे को याद भी नहीं कितनी पी थी, पर वो 4-5 जग, इट्स अबाउट maybe 1.5 liters, 2 liter jugs. I had 4 or 5 of those. Too much toddy. So by the time I came out, I couldn't even see clearly. I was like, where the hell am I? It was too much. So I said, okay, let's do the shoot. Sit in the boat and we have to, cross over to the other side. So I said, boat तो मेरे को, 2 दिख रही हैं. कौन सी वाली बैठो? I said, नहीं, 2 ही हैं. There are 2 identical boats. So sit in whichever one you want. So I sat down inside. And these boats have a motor at the back with a rudder. लेकिन आगे एक steering wheel भी होता है. तो वहाँ पे कोई नहीं था. Because it's all controlled from the back. So they started riding the boat and I was sitting there and I panicked. और ये boat कोई नहीं चला रहा. कोई नहीं बैठा आगे, क्या हो रहा है? They were like, relax, what's happened to you? I was like, the boat is going, है नहीं वहाँ पे. They were like, वो पीछे चला रहा है. I was like, okay, thank you. So I think that's just fun. Yeah. एक बार हम लोगों ने जैसलमेर में बहुत भंग पी ली, मयूर and me both. Just on the outer wall के बाहर एक बड़ी पुरानी भंग शॉप है. So they said, हम कई किस्म की चीज़ें बनाते हैं भंग के साथ, तो आप ट्राई कीजिए. So we had one biscuit. We said, wow, very nice, bhang cookies. So he said, बहुत अच्छा है, एक और दे दो. So we had 2. Then the director came and said, चलो let's shoot. तो आप भंग लस्सी पकड़ लो यार. So he said, कितनी डालें भंग? Weak, medium or strong? So he said, strong बनाओ, एक ही तो पीनी है. So we went cheers and clicked our glasses and started drinking, and a bird shat on my shoulder. Pachak, so that, that whole splatter. It's a big bird.
Yeah.
You have these cranes.
Yeah.
There was a flight of cranes. So I said, ठीक है, reshoot the whole thing. तब तक 3/4 down हो गई थी. So the guy went back and said, बना दो. So he said, कैसी बनाओ? So he said, जैसे बनाई थी पहले वैसी बना दो. Now he didn't know what those time. एक और बनवा ली. He came back. We started drinking. Something went wrong. One of us fumbled the dialogue. He said, चलो फिर से करो. वो बंदा फिर जाके जैसे बनाई थी वैसे. So we had 3 glasses of bhang ki lassi. We had 3 bhang lassis. We had 2 cookies. We had 3 or 4 pieces of chocolate. And when we were leaving, I was feeling a little funny. We were going to our next shoot. तो मैं थोड़ा सा अजीब सा लग रहा था मेरे को. So I went to the guy with the director. And we asked him. He said, अब ये क्या affect क्या कोई problem तो नहीं होगी? So he said, कितना पिया? क्या लिया आपने? So he said, 2 बड़े वाले cookies, 3 glass भंग की लस्सी, 3 piece chocolate and something else. So he said, नहीं कोई problem नहीं है. So he said, ठीक रहेगा ना? He said, नहीं प्रॉब्लम अब आपको नहीं है, अब ये प्रॉब्लम डायरेक्टर को है. आपका तो खत्म हो गया, कुछ नहीं हो सकता आपका. So you enjoy yourselves now. Nobody can do anything.
आपका 2D 3D में convert हुआ या you were?
पता नहीं क्या हुआ है.
Because I've heard like weird stories भांग का कि it like literally like it paralyzes you.
No, it was hilarious. I think I thought I was a bird, and the director kept shooting. तो वो एक scene है where Mayur is saying something and I'm standing. And he turns to me and says, what do you think? And I'm like, run away out of the shot, flapping my wings. So, people think ये तो है ही पागल, तो ये ऐसे ही काम करते हैं. But we were just completely smashed on bhang. I mean, if you can find that episode, Highway on My Plate, Jaisalmer, this bhang episode, it is one of the funniest things that I've ever seen because we were just so smashed here. So, I mean, you go with it, like road tripping. So I was in Bangalore and I was coming down the stairs and some little kid, must have been, maybe 5 or 6 year old little girl, she wanted to take a photo. So she came running and I was talking to the chef. I was 3 stairs up. She came running to me and came up on 1 stair. So the chef said, watch out. And I looked in front and I had already started moving it. So she was right there, and I was 137 kilos. I said, मैं इसके ऊपर गिर गया. So it'll be really bad. Yeah. So I jumped over her and a little bit from the side, best I could. And I landed on my foot and my ankle twisted here. So I broke my ankle and I tore 4 ligaments. It was like a terrible injury on day 2 of the shoot. Went to the doctor, got a couple of injections, put a cast, got crutches, and shot for 10 more days without ending it because showbiz is showbiz. Yeah. तो वो तो करना ही पड़ता है.
तो ये तो mishaps हो गए travel के time पे, like.
Yeah, no, the drinking part is not a mishap. That's a high. That's a really good one. Yeah.
So like you travel a lot for this. Like you have traveled all across India for food, and I believe it's like a wholesome experience. तो आपका best travel experience क्या रहा है?
They're all so beautiful. India के states और लोग इतने ज़्यादा. I mean, I've never seen such good people anywhere else in the world. और कोई भी state आप ले लो. Coastal regions जाते हैं उस वहाँ पर ओडिशा, आंध्रा, तेलंगाना. They get so happy जब आप उनके खाने के बारे में बात करते हैं उनसे. Because they've seen their own people eating their own food. अगर आप पहली बार ही खा रहे हैं कोई चीज़, जैसे आपको भुवनेश्वर में crabs मिल जाएंगे, बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. They come from Lake Chilika. This big crabs for like 300-400 rupees here. Or you get prawns this size, a plate of 6 of them for 350 rupees. But when you take a bite, they're so good and so different and so fresh. You can't help but compliment people here. So they give you so much love because you love their food. So I think every state is special. पर जहाँ तक मेरी favorites की बात आती है, so Kerala is my favorite state for food because एक shop में आपको seafood, chicken, buff, pork, सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. In one shop. That only happens in Kerala. Doesn't even happen in Delhi. Doesn't happen in Mumbai. It only happens in Kerala. So you'll get everything there: frogs, rabbits, quail, ducks, chicken, buff, pork. Everything is in one shop. So Kerala is my favorite food state, and I love the spices और जिस तरह से वो खाना बनाते हैं. Fabulous food. Their Nardan food is incredible. बीच में आपके कितने सीरियन इन्फ्लुएंस, सीरियन क्रिश्चियन फूड्स हैं कोट्टयम वगैरह रीजन के अंदर. आपकी मापलाट cuisines हैं. You have Arabic influence cuisines. So Kerala is just a hugely blessed state with food. Spices from Kerala are the best. Peppers best in the world. So that's my favorite state. Favorite food city is Bangalore. People in Bangalore want authentic things. They want real things. जैसे दिल्ली में अगर आप सुशी लेके आओगे तो दिल्ली विल बी लाइक लिसन ये बहुत ड्राई है, इसमें थोड़ा सा मेयो डाल दो, लेकिन वो मिर्ची नहीं है तो पिरी पिरी मेयो डाल दो, और मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है तो इसमें लाल मिर्ची चिली फ्लेक्स डाल दो, और कलर नहीं दिख रहा है तो इसको रंग बिरंगा बना दो, which is fine. I love that also. I mean, that's fantastic. But Delhi will change food according to Delhi's palate. But Bangalore में they won't change food. Bangalore में they're like ये ऐसे authentic था, let's serve this. So there's a whole demand for that. So that's why Bangalore is my favorite food.
The dosa is amazing.
Oh, it's got great. Bangalore, Karnataka has, sorry, Tamil Nadu. Karnataka has the best dosas in the world, dosa. I mean, they are the best.
Yeah, I've lived in Bangalore for like a year. I've loved their dosa. Like it's
Bangalore
so
or Bangalore?
Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yeah, I've loved their dosa. And the sambar is like दिल्ली में तो वैसे सांभर बनता ही नहीं है. इधर दिल्ली में आई थिंक वहाँ दिल्ली में थोड़ा मीठा बनता है सांभर. वहाँ पे थोड़ा डिफरेंट ऑथेंटिक टेस्ट होता है which is so good.
Yeah, I mean typically ज़्यादातर लोग जो डोसा खाते हैं या चटनी जो इडलीज वरास वगैरह खाते हैं, usually for breakfast is eaten with just chutneys. So you have different chutneys, and sambar is not a common thing. It's not everywhere. पर वो अब now it's becoming more popular, so मिल जाता है. But हाँ, I mean, but that's the beauty of India. You know, इस चीज़ को negatively लेना बहुत गलत है. जैसे मेरे को लोग बहुत बारी बोलते हैं कि आपने इस चीज़ को ठीक से प्रोनाउंस नहीं किया. So I'm like, it's not my food. How do you expect me to pronounce it? You know, ठीक है गलती कर दी, but I'm not doing it deliberately. I'm not trying to humiliate anyone. अब है तो है. अब आप जब पिज्ज़ा खाते हो बैठ के कहीं पे, उसमें आप केचप भी डाल रहे हो, उसमें टबैस्को भी डाल रहे हो, चिली फ्लेक्स भी डाल रहे हो, उसमें काली मिर्च डाल रहे हो. कोई बेचारा इटालियन बैठा हो तो वो उसका तो मुंह खुल जाता है कि क्या. रिस्पेक्ट होना चाहिए खाने का. बाकी आपने जो करना है करो. डोंट लिसन टू दीज पंडित्स एंड प्योरिटन्स एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. वंस द फूड इज ऑन माई प्लेट देन इज माइन. फिर मेरे खाने के और मेरे बीच में कोई नहीं आता. अब मैं उसमें घास फूस उगाऊँ या मैं उसमें सॉस डालूँ या मैं उसको चीनी डाल के खाऊँ, मेरी मर्जी. यू नो, व्हाटएवर आई वांट टू डू विद दैट डोसा, I can do whatever I want. Nobody can stop me. And that should never change. So people should express themselves. Food is love here.
Yeah.
You have to express love your own way,
That's
you know.
100% true.
Food connects people. Like it's मतलब आप खाने की बात करो 100 लोग आ जाते हैं बात करने के लिए. Food connects people.
And I also think it's like food, and उसके बाद if you can make somebody laugh. So you have been doing both the things like for 17 years. It's like making people laugh while you're eating.
But it helps if you look like this. People laugh anyway. They're like, ah. शक्ल सी लगते हो आप थोड़े से. Funny. I mean, that's the point. You know, Indians are very serious people. तो आइडिया वो है कि थोड़ा चिल मारो. अगर छोले भटूरे खाने हैं या चोले भटूरे खाने हैं या जो भी खाना है तो वही चीज़ ना. Eat it and relax. Enjoy yourself. We have two very strange sides. इंडिया में एक तरफ people are so specific with what they want and how they want it, and ऐसे बोलना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए, ऐसे behave करना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं behave करना चाहिए. और दूसरी तरफ we are so casual.
My next question was this only कि अब social media पे, because it's like a necessity for everybody. Everybody is on social media. But फिर it's like you are a single person and everybody has a view around you. So if you don't talk what their opinion is, they'll put hate comments on it. है ना, या troll कर लेंगे, because they are sitting behind a certain mask and you are not going to go and track them because you don't have that much of time. So like,
No, even if I had time, I wouldn't.
Yeah, like, does it
I don't believe in tracking people for what they say. You can say anything you want to me. I don't really care.
So does it ever get to you कि अरे यार अपना काम करो? Why are you like wasting your time?
No, but this is, you know, it takes all sorts to make the world. You know, I've just started my social media. Earlier, all our handles were Rocky and Mayur. Now I've started Rocky Mera Naam 69, which is the year I was born. Before you get any bad ideas. I'll be 55 this year.
You don't look.
So thank you. Thank you. I don't look more ना.
I know.
Clarify कर दो यार कि
Yeah.
65 की
Oh,
बात तो नहीं कर
definitely
रहे.
you look younger than your age.
I
Thank
think
you.
अच्छा खाना खाने से and खुश रहने से इंसान बस खुश
Glow
रहता है।
कर
I
दे.
think खुश रहने से.
Yeah,
Stress is the biggest killer. No, so my social media, Rocky Mera Naam 69. This is on now. I'm on Instagram and I'm on Twitter. So those two are close to my heart. You know, I express myself freely there. When at my Rocky and Mayur handles, I can't really express myself because वो बेचारा मयूर फंस जाता है उस सब चक्कर में. They're like तुम दोनों ने ऐसे बोला था नहीं like मैंने तो कुछ बोला कि नहीं. So I have to be careful on that one. But here, yeah, I can have fun. जो anonymous handles हैं, जो anonymity है, those people I don't really deal with that much. Because they're there for an agenda.
अब जैसे हम सोशल मीडिया की बात कर रहे हैं तो अब लोग OTT पे भी शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं.
हाँ.
लोग टीवी कम देखते हैं, OTT पे ज़्यादा शिफ्ट हो रहे हैं. अब जैसे एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, कपिल शर्मा शो पहले जो सोनी टीवी पे इतना आता था, अब वो भी OTT पे शिफ्ट हो गया. तो आपने कभी इस बारे में सोचा OTT पे आने का?
Absolutely, I'm open to it. I think Highway on My Plate is on a couple of channels. I know that it's on Amazon Prime. Highway on My Plate Hills for sure is there because I've seen it. हमारे देश में कल्चर है कि जो चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हो जाए उसको आप प्रमोट करो, उसको एक्सप्लॉइट करो. We don't think about creating greatness. We think about exploiting it for our benefit. तो कपिल शर्मा को पहले कोई ज़्यादा कोई घास नहीं डालता था until he started doing really well on the shows where people couldn't ignore him anymore. And then whatever show he's done has been a super hit. आपको पसंद आए नहीं आए वो अलग बात है. But fact is कि उसके shows are deeply loved by everybody. Like ये तो high 100% hit. He's so popular कि चलो इसको अब Netflix पे डाल देते हैं. When you reached out to me and said, will you come and do a show? I was like, absolutely, because when I started, nobody really helped me. You know, when people were not forthcoming because they were like, ये तो they are nobodies. Terminology.
We actually jumped on our seats when we got a mail from you. We were like, oh my God, Rocky is coming to our show.
No, it was, you said such a sweet mail. It was so enthusiastic and passionate. And that's the important thing here. So wherever I see passion and enthusiasm, I always try and make time. So when I got your mail, I was very happy and I was more than happy. I'm more than happy to be here. I'm enjoying myself here.
So, like you talked about Highway on My Plate. I just want to know, like, how, like, what was this? How did you and Mayur met? Like, जो ये TV की कहानी की
How
love
did we
story
meet?
है, हाँ.
Oh, we met way before Highway on My Plate. So 1976, Mayur moved to where I live in Delhi. And we met over there. I was, I think, 7 years old. He was 4 or 5, but we lived 5 houses away from each other. So we were cute once upon a time. So we were like puppies, you know, now we are like big shaggy wolves, bears. But Mayur lived down the road from me, 5 houses away. So from 76 till I think 2016, he moved to Goa. So 40 saal, we were neighbors, yeah. So we've grown up together. So we were brothers. And then when Abhinandan Niku had gotten in with NETV Good Times to do this show for dhabas between Delhi and Amritsar, we sort of were not involved in any way, but there was a couple who was involved and they dropped out. Then I think they asked Mayur and his wife to do it, but his wife is American, so she was not able to eat that kind of food on the streets here.
Definitely wouldn't.
So by default, Mayur got it, and then by default, I got involved in it. So then both of us sort of default got into it, and we thought it's just going to be one season. So, you know, we just did it, maze mein. And then when they came back to us and they were like, we want to make a contract for a year, we were like, "Arey, ye to serious ho gaye tum log? What happened here?" But yeah, the first pilot we made, they didn't accept it. They rejected it. They were like, "We can't make this show. These two guys are too extreme looking." You know, I mean, I always dressed like this.
But that's cool. I find it cool. Like all your T-shirts, even back then, in Highway on My Plate, they were like too amazing. Like Hawaiian print shirts, wearing anything.
Oh, I love those.
Yeah, and lungis also when you were wearing mundu when you were in Kerala. So all these, like, that is what appeals.
I think by nature, India में लोगों को थोड़ा सा समझना चाहिए कि like people think कि अगर किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया आप उसको मार दो, थप्पड़ मार दो. I'm not saying anything more. So I think that's not the case. So I think by and large you should be respectful. तो हम लोग, both of us, Mayur a little more than I am because he's an extremely gentle person. I mean, so I think those things we need to work on. Yeah. Respect, love, you know, keeping our country clean, being polite to people, unity, love, ये सब चीज़ें तो हम उसी को express करते रहते हैं. And I think that's why people kind of like it, yeah, because you don't, let's face it, if you switch on a television, up to khair internet hai, you can choose your hate, whichever kind of hate you like. But if you switch on a TV and you're looking at just something which is relaxed and peaceful and non-threatening and nobody's giving you a hard time. It's a nice thing to do here. So I think that was the reason why Highway on My Plate pretty much worked, because we were just polite and nice and kind, and that's who we are, I think. Still, unless you take my food, then I'm very dangerous here. फिर पंगा हो जाएगा ज़्यादा in Delhi language.
I want to know one thing. ऐसे बहुत young लोग हैं, like they love food vlogging in general or like vlogging in general, but they don't know the business side of it. They don't know if they can make money through this. Like I don't know about what your initial plan was and like आप इसमें कैसे घुसे, but then मुझे जानना है उनके लिए कि is this a sustainable career option in future, and if it is, of course it is, but I want to know कि how do they make money out of this?
I think success and making money out of something, the same rules for all businesses. So I, for example, worked with British Airways and KLM for 5 years. Then I set up 7 businesses over a span of 6 years. Then I operated those businesses in India, and then I was going back and forth between Miami, USA and India. And in 2004, I just got rid of everything, sold off everything and practically stopped working. So I had a lot of experience behind me. So I think if you ask a specific question like how can you make money out of X, you've asked me about food business, but I say to you about anything. Number one, you must have discipline. You must be innovative, entertaining. You must have a following of people. I mean, you get money on media through views. Can you create those views with your talent? You know, you should know. Once you get on, if you don't get into the hundreds of thousands, you're not really going to be able to make any money out of it. So you should be able to do that. You should have a loyal following. People should watch what you do. Sponsors should like what you do. People should react to what you're doing. And if you can do that, then you can make money out of it. पर अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं आज इसमें एंटर करूँगा और कल से मैं पैसे बनाना शुरू कर दूँगा, तो वो नहीं होने वाला है. So I think once you've learned what you do, it's very important to learn. तो पहले अपना अभी नौकरी मत छोड़िए, थोड़ा सा learn a little bit. Like you guys are doing a great job. You've just started this podcast. You're testing the waters. Maybe, hopefully, fingers crossed. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you.
In a year, you'll have 10 million subscribers, then you make a lot of money on social media. But if you have 10,000 at the end of the year, which is also a good number, by the way, then you won't be making money on it. So I think there's no easy answer, but the fact of the matter is, take your chances, build your skills, discipline yourself, create opportunity for yourself, then do it. I can give you stupid answers like, खूब मेहनत करिए और पहला पड़ाव ये है और जब आपके इतने हज़ार हो जाएंगे तो आप ऐसे सोचेगा और जब इतने पैसे आएंगे तो आपको इतने पैसे मिल जाएंगे. That's completely irrelevant. It doesn't matter. The guys who are big in this business have worked really hard to get there, and there are some brilliant guys out there.
आपने कभी शेफ बनने का सोचा है?
मैं बन चुका हूँ. I used to run a little restaurant in '94.
Okay.
So I ran it for about 6 months. पर बहुत ज़्यादा काम करना पड़ता है chefs को, especially when you're on your own. Hiring people, getting everybody organized, going out in the morning, buying the stuff, getting into the kitchen, cleaning, chopping, preparing, getting your gravies ready. फिर खाना बनाओ lunch के लिए, dinner के लिए. You finish at 1 o'clock, 1:30. You start in the morning at 6 o'clock. It is never ending. बहुत respect chefs को, मेरे बस की नहीं थी. I couldn't do it, but yeah. So I'd make Mughlai, Indian, Punjabi Mughlai is how I like to call Pandara Road kind of food. And well, I try. It's not that good. I can already tell you. And I'm also a trained Thai chef.
Amazing.
So I make Indian food and Thai food. Punjabi Mughlai and Thai. Those are my two specialities. So in Thai, I'm doing street stuff for the last 10 years.
Now our mouths are watering.
Oh, I want to eat now.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I've been working on the street in Thailand for 10 years. So जो भी मेरे को vendor बहुत अच्छा. I have a lot of friends in the chef community. So I call my friends who are, celebrity chefs or famous chefs in Thailand. And I'm like, please, can you get me a job with this? In Bangkok, there's a lady who makes pad Thai. She's an older lady. Fantastic, incredible pad Thai. So I said, can you get her to keep me at her stall for 2 days? I'll help out. And she was like, there's no space. I can't keep you. He's too fat and too big. Stand behind. So काम उसने सारा कराया मेरे से, but I learned it. I just saw what she was doing, and then by the end of the second day, she closes shop at about 10. By about 6, she had handed over to me. So I did 4 hours of making the pad Thai. You get your hands moving, you understand the ingredients, you see what's working, what's not working. But yeah, so I do a lot of street Thai, which I think is the best kind of Thai food. Like I think Indian street food is the best kind of food in India.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's my passion. तो वो दो चीज़ें मैं करता हूँ. I think my Thai is a little better than my Indian because Indian food is also art. It's not just something that you can learn, you know. You have to live it. तो अगर आप गोलगप्पे बना रहे हो, आसान नहीं है गोलगप्पे बनाना. You can read all the books you want. जो पानी का फ्लेवर होना चाहिए, जो गोलगप्पे का क्रस्ट टूटना चाहिए एक साइड से, पूरा जो चटनी के अंदर स्वीटनेस होनी चाहिए, स्टिकीनेस होनी चाहिए, आपने पानी में डाली सारी बाहर ना निकल जाए. That comes with time.
But according to you, can you say that कि जो 5-star hotels हैं, जो हाईवे पे जो ढाबे होते हैं, उनका खाना क्रैक कर पाए हैं?
5-star hotels ढाबे का खाना?
हाँ.
But that's not their niche.
मतलब वो लोग भी ऐसे आलू पराठे बनाते हैं, गोलगप्पे कभी कभार सर्व करते हैं.
नहीं, तो वो बड़ा फर्क है. देखिए आप, does your mother cook?
Yeah, she's an amazing cook.
Does your mother cook?
Yeah.
Amazing cook?
What?
That's awesome. So, you know, the reason why you love mother's food, because they put a lot of love in it. There's no question about that. They take their time. They want to do the best for their family. तो बड़े ध्यान से प्यार से खाना बनता है. But you grow up with it. जैसे मेरी favorite bhelpuri in the country. You want to guess where it is?
घर की?
South Extension.
I know. Oh my God. I live in South Ex. वो जो McDonald's के side में है.
Bombay bhelpuri.
Yeah, I've actually
Go
seen you
ahead,
there
the
once.
one next to the juice. I'm there all the time.
Yeah, I've seen you there once.
It's
yeah.
my favorite bhelpuri.
I know.
So I've been to Bombay and to Pune. I've been all over Maharashtra and I've tried 100 bhelpuris. You know,
The safe puri is also so good.
whenever I try that, I'm like, yeah, it's not as good as that because I grew up eating that. You know, मेरा उधार चलता था वहाँ पे because I never had money. So I've grown up with that bhelpuri. So I think it's the best in the world. So I brought a friend from Bombay who's a Bawa. And he came here and I said, I want to eat bhelpuri. So I said, I'll get the best bhelpuri in the world. He took one bite and literally spat it out. He literally spat it out. And I was like, what is that? You're like, this is bhelpuri. Are you mad? This is some Punjabi thing you guys have made.
I can actually imagine.
So I was like, no, this is bhelpuri. You're like, it's not bhelpuri. You never had bhelpuri in Maharashtra. I said, yeah, I've had it, but that's not so nice. You're like, then you're mad. ये bhelpuri nahi hai. So, you know, I mean, but it is bhelpuri.
Yeah.
And it is delicious for us. It's my favorite. But he really didn't like it. So it's also what you've grown up with. That's very important. So when you've grown up on the street, you're always craving that food because it has a huge amount of spice, a huge amount of sweetness, a huge amount of taste, huge combination of, you know, मसाला भी है, आलू भी है, चने भी हैं, गोलगप्पे का पानी भी है, सौंठ भी है, धनिया भी है, मिर्ची भी है. It's a huge mix. Now when you go to a 5-star, if they serve that to their clients, like I said, you know, they got a lot of international clients or people with gentler palates. They can't eat that.
Yeah.
So they have to tone it down. But they do a lot of work. So for example, Indian cuisines, I forget the name of the hotel, but they have done a great Wazwan. Noor Jahan's favorite dishes. So just food from Agra, but the Wazwan that the Mughals would eat there when they were living in that region, and this is their capital. So it's a very unique food. You won't get that anywhere else in the world. So बहुत मेहनत करके, you know, months and years of planning. 5-star hotel food, generally Indians are like, हाँ ठीक है 5-star है, अच्छा नहीं है, street is better. पर बहुत मेहनत जाती है उसमें, बहुत unique है, बहुत flavors are incredible. So that can never be diminished. You know, there's some really good people working really hard to make some incredible food. Good food को कभी mistake मत कीजिए, just to live a stereotype, you know, कि ये ऐसा होता है और ये ऐसा होता है. My favorite dal, for example, from Punjab, the dhaba dal you get is fantastic. Yeah. But now almost all over Punjab, they started putting cream and ghee into the dal. Yeah. So now my favorite dal is shifted to UP, where you get much simpler dal at dhabas, which is delicious again. Yeah. You know, they have nice and spicy. But before Punjab, Gujarati curry used to be my favorite. You know, they make a very nice, watery, sweet curry in Gujarat. Yeah. You should remain open to influences, you know. Yeah. So if you have a boyfriend, but tomorrow there's another guy who's 2 inches taller and much politer and has more money and makes you laugh more and loves you a lot, you should be thinking. You should be like, ये तो ठीक है, लेकिन
We'll take your advice on that for sure.
मेरे को पिटवा मत देना please. Your boyfriend's come looking for me कि इसने किया, बस ने बताया था. So I think until you're committed, you should, you know, you shouldn't. And खाने में you don't need to be committed. Should be fickle.
That's the beauty.
That's the beauty of it. So मेरा favorite restaurant है, you know, in Delhi I have a couple of favorite restaurants. I have More in Pandara Road was my favorite restaurant for many years. I still go there at least once a month. But now Daryaganj has come in and they have some great dishes, very similar, but some great flavors here. So I'm torn between the two of them here. You know, but yesterday I went to Moti Mahal Deluxe in South X and I was like, ye bhi bahut acha khana hai yaar. So, you know, I'm open to it. Whoever does a better job here. And that's how it should be. That's how you promote good food.
So there's no differentiating in food. सब कुछ खाना चाहिए.
कुछ खाना चाहिए. Stay fickle with food. Promote good places is all I say. जहाँ पे आपको खाना अच्छा लगे, that's a good place for you. Don't listen to anyone.
जैसे बहुत सारे अमेरिकन लोग they have these food challenges है ना, you have to eat these many
Yes.
burgers, it's on like it's free then. So have you ever participated in any of
Yeah,
the
I
food
used to do
bets?
pretty well in them. I ate a 96-ounce steak. That's about over 2 kilos. A 96-ounce steak and a 1-liter strawberry thick shake and a giant plate of onion rings and cheesy fries under 45 minutes. And then if you do that, they put your name up on the wall on a brass thing. They stamp it and they put it up. So yeah, I used to do it. Like I was the judge at the hot dog eating contest at the India Habitat Center. And I think as the judge, I ate the same amount as the winner did.
Oh.
While I was talking and judging. Yeah. So that was just for fun. But it's a specialized job again, I'll say. Speed eating and volume eating is not for everybody.
Definitely.
I mean, it is life-threatening when you're consuming 2 kilos, 3 kilos, even 4 kilos of food. Your body is not designed for it. Yeah. By and large, most human beings can't consume more than about a kilo of food. Is like really pushing it. So don't do it unless you know the science behind it. अगर आप सोचो 3 किलो खाना कितना होता है तो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है.
Fathom भी नहीं कर पाए अभी तो that much amount of meat.
So yeah, I mean I tried it, but you know it's an extreme thing. You have to prepare for it. You have to build up. There's a hormone called ghrelin.
Yeah.
Ghrelin is a substance that doesn't allow you to become satiated. You keep eating more and more and more. Your stomach walls become softer and distend more. You can absorb more. Put in more food there. Your peristalsis, the movement of your throat that moves food up and down. You know that enhances with a lot of food inside it. So it takes a lot of doing to get to that. As a professional, you've got to build that. But it has so many side effects and it's really bad for your health. Yeah.
Definitely.
So that lifestyle is not a conducive one. Yeah. And you know, then you're eating fried food and deep food and carbs, and then you're stressed and you have stress eating, and you know, like people say, oh, you should remain hungry for 2 days before you enter an eating contest. If you remain hungry, your stomach will shrink. Yeah. You won't be able to eat. You can't just start eating after 2 days and eat a lot. You have to eat yourself into a contest. So it's a completely different thing. Yeah. नहीं करना चाहिए. मजे में भी नहीं करना चाहिए. You know, you can have a bet that I'll eat one hot dog in 2 minutes or something.
Yeah.
Like my favorite bet growing up used to be besan ka laddu in 1 minute.
Oh.
If you can eat a besan ka laddu in under 1 minute, you're a champ because there's nobody who can do it.
Just gets, yeah.
But instead of taking, so people do that, and eat it, but you have to put the whole thing in your mouth once. And then in under 1 minute or 45 seconds, you have to finish it. तो वो नहीं होता है because it just mouth dries up.
Yeah, it's very rare.
So you know so if I tell you to eat 10 in 2 minutes,
That's
it would be really bad for you. You know, you can't do it. नहीं करना चाहिए, बिल्कुल भी.
And choke पे हो जाएगा एक point पे तो.
बिल्कुल. Your mouth is dry, पूरा भरा हुआ है बेसन से, it's soaked out all the moisture from your mouth. आपने 2 डाल लिए, 3 डाल लिए, bad scene.
So have you seen those weird food reels where they are putting like they're frying ice cream and then they're putting cheese and Nutella in everything. So do you intend on reviewing?
Yeah, if you have takers for it, by all means do it. Yeah. Like fried ice cream is fun. You know, a hard ice cream ball, dip it in besan and throw it into the thing and fry it and serve it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a fun thing.
Ice cream pakoda.
Yeah, I mean, food is, you know, how democratic are you? It's an important question. How open-minded are you, really? So, you know, a lot of people aren't. And they're like, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसे होना चाहिए. What you eat is no concern of mine. Yeah. आप उसको कैसे खा रहे हो? Like, I have a cousin who eats rajma chawal with ketchup and chini. And it is a disgusting combination. Yeah. I'm like, oh my God. Yeah. But you know, who am I to say anything? Yeah. तो आपने जो खाना है खाओ. So yeah, I've seen these. Like I've had a full turkey leg with chocolate, wrapped with chocolate, covered with bacon, and then deep fried and handed to you. And it's like the weirdest combination, but it really tastes good. Yeah. So people are like, "Arey, that's a killer. It's it's destroy your life and you'll get cholesterol. This thing." And so I'm like, "But it's damn tasty."
Even ice cream with fries tastes amazing. Like it's a weird
With
combo.
fries?
Yeah.
See what I mean?
Like I tried that at McDonald's, like salted fries with like vanilla ice cream, which just tastes so good for some reason. Yeah.
देखो कैसे अजीब अजीब लोग होते हैं दुनिया
Who
में.
eats ice cream with
It
fries?
tastes. I saw a reel and I was like, I have to try this now.
Yeah, but listen, don't ever listen to anyone about what you should eat. If you become too negative about anything and you keep criticizing things, it's a habit. You develop habits. So if you start exercising one day and you keep exercising for 5 years, you'll change. You'll become a strong person, with good fitness. So same way, if you criticize and keep criticizing for 5 years, you'll become a jackass. In 5 years, you'll be an insufferable person that nobody wants to be around. And that's a lot of people around us, I can tell you. So, but if you're nice and polite and kind and happy and you keep doing that for 5 years, you'll like yourself a lot in 5 years, and other people will like you too. It's because it's nice to be nice. So I think that's important. Which just by and large, everybody should spread the message in India of being nicer, kinder, gentler, happier. We need that now, especially now, more than ever. The last few years have been tough for everyone. So I think we just need to spread that message out. And you'll get a lot of hate for what I'm saying also. They'll be like, oh, इसने ऐसे बोल दिया. Let those people be. They won't like where they're going to end up in 5 years. They won't like themselves. So you take the better choice. So keep putting ice cream
Yeah.
on
I'll
your
keep
chips,
doing that. Yeah.
on your fries.
Okay, so we have one last segment before we wrap for today's episode, which is the rapid fire.
Oh,
a little
lovely.
Karan Johar moment.
ठीक है.
Are you ready for it?
Yeah, let me also get into the Karan Johar mood.
Yeah.
So, is Delhi overhyped for food, hit or flop?
Delhi's a hit. दिल्ली का खाना बहुत देर से पिट रहा है, लेकिन जब भी खाया हिट रहा है. Delhi's a great food city.
Most embarrassing moment on TV?
Lungi falling off in a shoot when shooting with Mayur. His lungi fell down on shot, and it's there in the show.
What do you eat in a day when you're not shooting?
Chicken curry, bhindi, dal, and pyaz and achar is my go-to. My favorite combination in the world. Chicken and bhindi.
Comfort food.
Nothing is better than that.
As a Punjabi, butter chicken is very close to my heart. Like we've already asked this question before, but best butter chicken place in Delhi?
Have More, Pandara Road, and Daryaganj.
If you had only one day and you could eat 3 meals at any place in India, what would it be and where?
First one would be Amma Mess, which is in Madurai. It is just absolutely stunning. It's like the best food that you could imagine. Number 2, I would have in Kerala at a toddy shop. I have the shapu curry and toddy to my heart's content. That's the second best meal. And number 3, that's a good question. Nobody's asked me about 3 before. I think probably Calcutta. Get down there and have the oh no. You're asking about a place also, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a place called Spicy Venue in Hyderabad, which is just incredible. Because I was going to say the biryani in Calcutta, but I like the biryani in. They have this beautiful biryani, prawn biryani they have that is wrapped in an egg.
Oh, I've seen that.
Yeah, it is so good. Yeah, and just then. They have Ulavacharu, which is this mix of horse gram reduction with spices and yeah, so those 3 places.
One personality you would want to co-host your show with?
One of mine, I have 4 or 5 personalities. So if I could split myself into 2, we would really get along.
That would be like a hit.
Somebody who's not me, I think Lara Datta, I think would be a great co-host for me. I have the biggest crush on her for the last 25 years.
Rabri with jalebi or gulab jamun with vanilla ice cream?
Gulab jamun vanilla ice cream.
That's the best shadi combination. Like
Best.
shadi mein.
Rabdi,
Ever.
how can anybody not like rabdi jalebi?
No,
It's like-
garam gulab
Gulab with
jamun
thandi ice cream.
with ice cream is
Ah,
like...
so good. Which dish you would never eat, even for $1 million?
No, I'd eat everything, man. I eat for free. $1 million the chodo. If somebody is paying me $1 million, I would eat anything. As long as it's food. I mean, somebody's food.
Yeah.
I've eaten horse food, camel food, dog food, cat food, human food, though, anytime. Yeah.
एक coffee भी बनती है, I've heard. Cat की poop से, I've heard. There's one coffee like this famous.
The civet eats it, and then the coffee bean itself is hard. So the civet eats the whole fruit. It's like a cherry. He eats the coffee cherry, and the seeds travel through, and their uniqueness is they poop in one place. Like rhinos, even rhinos poop.
Yeah.
They don't poop anywhere.
Yeah,
They come back and poop there only. So you have a lot of it there. and the tannins and the digestive juices in the civet's body improve the taste for a lot of people. So that's civet coffee. Yeah, that's a delicacy. Everybody loves that.
Rocky's worst fear.
Not be able to travel.
Complete the sentence. If not a food blogger, I would be a...
Businessman.
Okay, perfect.
A capitalist pig.
That's it for today.
All right, great. Thank you guys. I wish you all the best because, it's very hard to be someone else.
Yeah.
And you can't be someone else for too long. So the more yourself you are and then you take your shot, it's better.